All right, guys, we're back here at 5416 MacLain Lane in Hanover Park, Illinois. Just kind of inspecting everything around this roof. You guys see we got 1, 2, and 3 layers down here. Interestingly enough, when I kind of pry this back, you guys can see there's a big, really big gap here in the plywood. Big enough that there's an old beehive down there. You see that? In the roof. So yeah. This looks to be against code. 3 layers I don't think is code, and having a huge hole like that in the decking doesn't seem to be exactly ideal either. So just want to document that against its repairability here, guys.